Second question is, yes, Myanmar is not cooperating.
The Office of the Prosecutor, through its investigators, will now be collecting evidence to try and establish the truth of what actually happened to the Rohingyas, to try and find evidence to ensure that there will be justice for the alleged crimes committed against the Rohingyas. This investigation process is going to be carried out by the investigators of the Office of the Prosecutor. It is going to be an independent, impartial, objective, and fair process whose aim is to determine the truth or to uncover the truth of what actually happened with a view to bringing justice to the victims of the crimes of the Rohingyas.
Those questions, and then we'll start again.
It is a cross-border crime. It is a crime that has started in Myanmar, which is not a state party, but has ended up in Bangladesh, which is a state party. Unlike displacement of people internally, if the Rohingyas had just moved from Rakhine state to one other state within Myanmar, then the ICC would not have jurisdiction. But in accordance with the law, if people are forced to move from their own country and are deported, or as a result of persecution, as a result of killing, or as a result of any illegal acts, then once they cross that country and cross into another country which is a state party, the judges of the ICC and the law says that then the ICC has got jurisdiction.
How long years or months it will take to end the process?
Myanmar is not a state party to the Rome Statute, and therefore it has got no obligation to cooperate with the court. This in itself will present a challenge in that in an ideal situation, we should be able to go to Myanmar and collect the information from there. But unfortunately, we are not able to do so because Myanmar is not cooperating with us. This is a challenge. We all admit and we should all agree that it's a challenge, but it is not an insurmountable challenge. This in itself will not result in the office not being able to investigate and prosecute. We have had experiences in the past in some other situations where countries have refused to cooperate with us, have refused us entry into their territory, but we have been able to investigate and prosecute and brought some people. At least judges have come to the conclusion and we presented evidence to some people against these people to the judges. So Myanmar is not an exception in this way, in not being a state party and in refusing to cooperate with us and in not allowing us to be able to get into Myanmar. So it is going to be a big challenge.